sticky bit. Sticky bit. So what is sticky bit? Sticky bit means when the sticky bit applied to a directory, then no one user can modify another user's file. Okay. If full permission given to the directory, but no one user can modify other user's directory. That is called sticky bit. Let's say ABC is a directory and we given the full permission 777, and inside ABC, let's say Duke user created a file, Bob user created a file, and you can see 77 permission is there. That means Duke user should modify the Bob user's file and Bob user should modify the Duke user's file. But it is not possible whenever sticky bit is applied. So when sticky bit is required? When there is a common directory and all users having permission to the files, at that time sticky bit applied. That means no one user can delete other users file. And what is the common example? Common example is /tmp. Then /tmp is the common example. Please remember, interview many times ask you what is sticky bit and what is the use case. Use case is /tmp. Please remember. Okay. So let me show you how sticky bit works. mkdir let's say z, we have created directory z, then give the full permission chmod 777 z. You can see I have given full permission. Go to Duke user, go to slash z user is there, go to z. Now create a file dot duke dot txt, file created. Now open another user, let's say set the permission for Bob user passwd. We have created the Bob user but password not set. Password Bob. Okay. Now start another session with Bob user. Go to slash, go to z touch dots bob dot txt, file created. Okay. Now we'll try to use the Duke user to delete the Bob user's file. You can see both users, both files are present. rm minus rf. You can see Duke user can able to, here you can, we are in Duke user, but we can able to delete the Bob user's file. And previously you can see Bob user having the permission only to the Bob user and admin group, and only read write permission given to the Bob user, and to others no write permission given. Still you are able to, still the Duke user able to delete the Bob user's file. Now go to Bob user's directory, then delete rm minus rf Duke. Here Bob user is also able to delete the Duke user's file. Now again create the same, create those files. We have created files. Now go to the root user. Now here apply the sticky bit. chmod command is chmod plus t, then directory name z. We have given the sticky bit permission, and once you give the sticky bit permission, you can see in place of t, in place of x, t is showing here. You can notice previously there was x permission, execute permission is there. Now it is showing small t. Please remember, whenever the directory having execute permission and we apply the sticky bit, it will appear as small t. When there is no execute permission, it will appear as capital T. Please remember, interview will ask you what is difference between capital T and small t. Small t means there is execute permission, capital means there is no execute permission to others. Clear? Now go to Duke user. Here try to delete the Bob users file. rm minus rf Bob. You can see permission not allowed. Now you try to remove Duke user, permission not permitted. So this is about the sticky bit. Once we apply the sticky bit, no one user can delete other users file. Okay, this is about sticky bit. Clear?